আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আজকে তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটিতে ক্লাস 8 ইংলিশ হাইলাইটস বই পিকে মুখার্জির পেজ নাম্বার 66 এর যে ট্রান্সলেশনগুলো আছে সেগুলোর সলিউশনটি তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করছি। আমি আনসার লিখে রেখেছি, তোমাদের পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। আশা করি ভিডিওটি থেকে তোমরা উপকৃত হবে। আমি 1 by 1 তোমাদের পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। Number 1, he came here yesterday. Number 2, I received your letter yesterday. Number 3, students had reached school before bell rang. Number 4, I saw a snake first. Number 5, they live in town. Number 6, after 2 years we are going to sit an examination. Number 7, the exam result did not come out. Number 8, I will be waiting for you. Number 9, it has been raining for a long time. Number 10, dishonest people are not happy. Number 11, the old woman is walking slowly. Number 12 হচ্ছে when you were child, who was the president? Number 13, after having rice, Paresh went to sleep. Number 14 হচ্ছে the girls draws a beautiful picture. Number 15, she has been learning music from 2000. Number 16 হচ্ছে I came, saw and won. Number 17 হচ্ছে they will be waiting in the car at night. Number 18 হচ্ছে he was sleeping in the morning. Number 19 হচ্ছে it stopped rain after I had reached home. Number 20 হচ্ছে I came here yesterday. Number 21 হচ্ছে we were playing card game before the train left. Number 22 হচ্ছে they will be doing a drama tomorrow. Number 23, will you finish your right? Number 24 হচ্ছে the girls will be playing in the field. Number 25 হচ্ছে where will you stay tomorrow? 26 হচ্ছে he had been playing since morning. Number 27 হচ্ছে had not you done your sum before I came? 28 হচ্ছে why did not you do your sum? Or why did not you do the math? Number 29 হচ্ছে are the boys watching TV? Number 13 হচ্ছে we have been waiting for 2 hours. Number 31 হচ্ছে I am going to take retire next year. 32 হচ্ছে tree had come before man came. 33 হচ্ছে wind has been blowing for 6 hours. 34 হচ্ছে river blows for years. 35 হচ্ছে did you come school yesterday? না 36 হচ্ছে did we not learn tense properly? 37, the baby has been crying for a long time. 38 হচ্ছে have you ever seen the moon? 39, why did you not go to school yesterday? 40 হচ্ছে were you ill? Thank you for watching this video. ভিডিওটি যদি তোমাদের উপকারে আসে তাহলে লাইক শেয়ার কমেন্ট সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে কিন্তু প্লিজ ভুলো না।